Hi all, today we're in Windows 11 and we're taking a look at how to enable Bitlocker. Let's get into it. So to start off, before we get too far into this, let's explain what Bitlocker is. Bitlocker encrypts your drive or your SSD, your hard drive, and locks it to the devices in the computer. So, if the computer was to get stolen or something happens to the computer and that drive is put into another computer, it won't be able to boot without your BitLocker key. It also helps in the different circumstances for if your password's entered incorrectly too many times on the computer, it'll lock the drive and keep all your files safe. So to start off, we'll come down to the Start menu, hit Start, and let's type in BitLocker. We'll get the Manage BitLocker option. We can go ahead and turn on BitLocker. And then to enable BitLocker, we will need to save the key to either a file or print the recovery key. Let's go print the recovery key, and we're just going to save it as a PDF for right now. I don't have a USB. Call this BitLocker and save. Cool. So the recovery key was saved. We can now hit Next and activate. Once activated, it will take about 10 to 15 minutes to fully encrypt, and then you will want to give your computer a restart. Once done, you will be BitLocker enabled and encrypted. Let me know if this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.